Hello.
Hello?
Hello. Hi, everyone. How are you?
Yeah.
Hello.
Hello.
Okay.
Good.
Okay.
Good.
Okay. Okay. So, I also turn on my video. Just 1 second. Okay. Okay. So, you all wanted to discuss Python. Do you have any experience before? Is it
A
just
little bit.
Yeah.
okay? Okay. Okay. So, like, is it your school course which you're doing?
Yeah. Yeah.
Yes, yes, yes. Yeah.
Okay. 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 So, actually, what we can do. Okay, what we can do is like initially you share your topics with me and then I can just touch them quickly. Like whatever questions you will have, we can discuss them all.
Okay. Thank you,
And
sir.
no
Thank
problem.
you.
Where is Asad? Asad is not joining?
I don't think he
No,
is.
no, he's
Okay,
not. He's
okay.
not. He's not able.
It's okay. It's okay. It's okay. No problem. Okay. So if anyone has the topics, if you could share your screen and show me, please. So we
Okay.
could.
Okay. Wait, who wants
I'll.
to share screen?
Okay.
I can share it, sir. I have
I'll.
the
It's like
document.
on slides, sir.
Yeah,
Okay,
it's
okay.
on Google Docs.
Okay, let's see your slides.
There's many like.
But our school laptop, it's not letting us share for me.
Oh wait, let me try. Share. Okay, hold on.
Sir, how was your day?
It was quite busy. I'm really sorry. But these days I'm a little bit busy because I'm also doing PhD in
PSG.
computer VN.
BSJ?
Yes, and I used to tutor
PhD,
Asad.
PhD, bro.
Yeah, PhD.
Oh,
Yes. Yeah. Okay. So
With the Football Academy PSG.
No, PhD,
wait,
PhD.
Oh.
sir. It's not
yeah.
letting us share our screen, so can I just send you the link?
Yes, you can send me the link. I
Wait,
shared.
wait, sir, I can share it. Wait,
No,
wait,
you
wait.
cannot. You cannot. It doesn't work.
No, I made like a copy
Oh shit. That's
of
tough.
it. Um,
Okay, you can send me the link on WhatsApp even
okay.
if that is easy for
But
you.
it's not. It's not letting me do it.
Sir, I already sent the link to you on
Okay, okay. I share my screen quickly and
here. I sent it to
yes.
you.
Okay, okay, okay. Sorry, there's a I could not ask everyone like for introduction. So like it's okay, we can continue. Okay, without any introductions. Okay. So okay. So I can see you have all computer science subject where you have Google Colab, Python, okay. And
We already did this.
I made like a copy.
No,
We're
but like,
reviewing.
you know what?
No,
Even
we're
though
reviewing it. Yeah, we're reviewing
So,
it.
I
sir,
don't know anything, bro. I don't understand anything, bro.
some of our tests are
Oh,
like
sir,
tomorrow.
No, it
I
won't
have a
be
question.
online. I don't think it'll be
okay.
online.
So
I think
all
it's when we come back to
is all
school.
of these your topics for
Yeah,
your
we're getting assessed
test
based
tomorrow?
on all of this.
Yeah.
Okay, okay, okay. Uh yeah, you are kind of covering every
Enggak, bro.
basic topics using. Okay. So I think mainly there's variables,
Yeah.
Yeah,
conditions, and
Yeah.
loops.
Yeah.
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 Okay.
yeah.
If else
Okay.
statements, elif, I don't know.
Okay. Okay.
We're
So
really confused.
yeah, don't
Mm-mm.
worry. I will try my best to guide you about this. What is this actually? So you all have Colab. So I
Yeah.
assume like you already know about Colab, right? So
Yeah.
Yeah.
Oh,
Yeah.
but sir, we
okay,
downloaded VS Code for you.
okay, okay. I was not aware because the
Wait,
call.
sir, for me, it's not downloading.
Oh, then it's
Okay,
cool.
it's okay. It's okay. Leave that because we can do everything on Colab. So there's no need
Okay.
for downloading the
So
VS
I will
Code.
delete my
Okay.
collab, sir.
Okay.
Okay, okay. So we can continue with the Colab. That is quite easy as compared to. All right. So I just do like this new notebook for all of you, and then okay. So I quickly also see you have these topics and downloads. Okay,
Listen.
okay. So I call it like kind of overview session about Python overview. Okay. And then I download this notes. Okay. All right. So I also kind of write all the topics which are covered in this slide. So this is the only slide, right? You have for your
Yeah.
Yeah,
okay.
yeah, it is. It is.
Okay. So actually Python starts with the types of the data we have. So if I ask you about you, so you will say like maybe my name is Umair and my age is 30 or my height is this. So these are all numbers, right? So numbers and text. So these are two main kinds of data. So that's why we can say like let's say name is equals to, and I write let's say Umair like this. This one is a data type which I will store in this variable.
Is
Does
that
this
a
make
string?
sense? Yes, this is a string, but is this make sense? Like I'm just kind of storing this particular value in this. If I will not write these codes, it means like Python will think this is a variable. When I will run it, Python will say you did not define Umair here.
I have a question.
Mhm.
So like if you wanna like put like a number in a variable, then do you always have to add int?
Can you like
int?
respect the teacher, please? Like
Mhm.
this is
No, no,
not
it's
something
okay.
to
It's
laugh
okay.
about.
Everyone, like you can
Why are
ask.
you laughing?
There maybe okay. So you have like introduction to Python, then you have
Yeah.
conditions, loop, and list. What I could understand from your total topics you have.
Let me raise my hand, bro.
Okay, number one is let's say you have intro. Number two,
Wait,
you
what's it?
have conditions.
What's intro, bro?
Number three, you have loops, and number four, you have lists like this.
Oh, we haven't.
We
Wait,
we didn't do
sir.
this.
So
we did.
like
But did we even do intro, bro? What is
We
intro?
did intro. Intro's
We
the
did
variable
loops,
no,
string.
we
bro.
did
Intro means like a
Intro is
condition.
variable.
introduction.
Intro is a variable.
Yeah, and the printing.
Oh, okay. Wait, introduction is variable?
No,
Yeah.
introduction is just like a general introduction, like your introduction, my introduction. It's so,
Oh,
like
okay.
in your
Oh,
slides.
Oh.
Yes.
so if you want to
Okay.
store like if you want to
Yes.
store a number in a
Mm,
variable, then
mm.
do you have to add int in front of it?
No,
Like,
not in Python. You just write
sorry?
Integer,
there,
bro.
let's
No,
say
because
if you have
we said like integer and like stuff.
Integer.
No, it's only for input. INT is
Oh,
only for input.
Yeah.
simply like x is equals to 10.
oh, okay.
Yes,
If you
sir.
want to store, let's say a variable like y is equals to, then we can store here 20.5. This is called float.
Decimal.
What?
Sir,
Decimal is this one, like integers.
sir, how do
Integers
we do?
means something like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, like these things.
Sir, sir,
Yes, yes, yes.
how do we do operations in Python?
Operations are actually you are also doing operation here. This is assignment operation. Like you are just assigning 10 to x. Um, if you want to do if you want to combine two words, then there are some mathematical operations. Like you add words together, like add numbers together, you take the difference, multiply, those all things are actually the mathematical operations. We should call it operator, and the process is called operation. So this is assigning of 10 to x. So I could use this one later instead of using the 10 value, like x. So it will give me 10. If I want to see what is inside the variable y, I will write print and then y. It will show me like this.
How
Oh.
do you do like
Oh.
x plus y, sir? Do you just do print x plus y?
We do it when we will discuss a little bit about uh, mathematical operators. So like this is kind of introduction. So you can ask basic questions here, like how can we assign things and how can we print them?
Yeah.
Okay, you can also write this thing in the one cell. and then it will show you 10 and 20. Let's say I write, let's say name is equals to Umair. And then let's say I have education or maybe any other variable. Can anyone tell, like, okay, like Noah, if I write there Noah, and
Yes.
what is your age now?
I'm 14.
Okay, 14. And then you can write there, let's say height is equals to
He's 4 foot. He's 4 foot, sir.
square foot.
He's
Okay.
4'1". 4'1".
Okay, 4 foot or 4
I'm
feet and
taller.
1
I'm
inches.
taller.
So like we can just write there, let's say for example, we write there 5.1, anything like,
Thank you. Thank you.
so we can write this variable height, and then we can now write, let's say something like boy is equals to true. Okay, so we can write print small bracket, and then we write there f, the name is
Wait, what is F?
name.
What is F?
F is a string, formatting string.
Oh, okay.
Why
What
we are
is the
doing
pink
it?
thing?
The
What is
pink.
It's
Yeah, the curly brackets. Curly
Yeah.
brackets means when you want to show something. If you are feeling this one is new, according to the slide, so we can also write their name, comma, age,
Oh yeah, comma
comma,
we learned.
height, comma, and boy. Okay.
Wait,
So,
sir, can you
mhm.
also help with continue and break later?
Yeah, sure. We will go
Wait,
for
Thank
this,
you.
I have
but
a
let's just
question.
cover these things.
Sir, I have a question.
Yes, yeah, yes. Is it
Like,
Sion, if
if
I'm
they
not wrong?
give you
Mm-hmm.
Sion, yeah,
Okay.
like if they give you a random situation, how do you like know which type of code to use? Because
It
like
depends on the question.
that's
Let's say
gonna
they
be
ask you, you have,
Bambaklat.
okay, let's say if they ask you, you have to make like a program in which you have to write your name, age, and print them all. So you can just write and it will print them. For example, let's say if I change the name from Noah to someone like Adrien, Adrian, so I can just run it. So it will just change that word and will store things in it.
Oh,
So this benefit is like you can use it throughout now. Okay, now we see a simple example in which we can make a simple calculator. Let's say if I have number 1 is equals to 100 and number 2 is equals to 200, let's say. So I can say print number 1 plus number 2. Now number 1 and number 2 will add together to make their result. So this is called mathematical operation we are actually doing here. We will add them together.
Wait, sir.
Yes.
If you do the int input, then you can put any number, right? And then it'll like add or minus.
Yes. If you
Okay.
want to get it from the user,
Yeah.
like you can write their input, small bracket, please enter the first number like this.
wait, what is that?
This
What is that?
input function is used to collect the data from the user. When you will run it, it will ask you, please enter the first number. And then you will write there, let's say 100 and hit enter. So it will work.
What
But
does a semicolon do?
semicolon, this one,
Yeah.
it doesn't do anything. It is just for us to actually, like there's no need for this even. Like this. So please enter your first number. You can write, let's say 100 and hit enter. So it will give you the sum. Similarly, you can copy this line and write it there. This is called mathematical operation. I also write heading for you, so it will be easy for you to track it later, what we did. So mathematical operators. Now this is operators. Let me see your slides also, please, in a parallel. I don't miss anything. Okay, so okay. Let's go through the slides now, and I can actually ask a thing like this is just like a kind of to build your interest, okay? And this one is this, okay. Introduction to Python, like notebook 1. So they are writing here like you can just add two numbers together instead of storing it into a variable. Does this make sense?
Yes.
Wait,
So this is
what?
simple. Like 2 plus 2, just like on calculator, you will have 4 answer. And the upper thing is a comment. Comment means you don't want to run this code in the Python.
So comment
Um,
doesn't run in the output,
hmm,
right? It's not shown.
yes, yes. For example, if I write there, this is a comment. It is not executed in code. So if I will not write this hash, so it will give us error. It is saying like syntax error, invalid syntax. So we have to correct the syntax, so we have to write it as a comment like this. Okay, is this clear? Let's go slide by slide so we could cover these things. Okay. Now this is called multi-line comment. When you have three string quotes, like double quotes or single quotes. So this is called a string actually, but you can also use it as a comment. For example, let's say I want to write a very big paragraph and I want to write a lot of things inside it and I want to store it somewhere. So let's say I have like kind of introduction. So if I keep on writing like this is a introduction and I keep on writing things like this to save time. So after some time, it will just cross the screen now. So if I want to write it as a multi-line, I can write double quotes like this, 3 quotes. And after writing 3 quotes, I can even write it in the next line like this. So this is the use of 3 quotes together. Is this thing understandable?
Yes.
So
Yeah.
when you will say print, small bracket, introduction, so it will kind of show you everything what was stored inside this. So this is a big string, like multi-line string.
So
Yes.
in introduction, you can add like multiple strings.
Introduction is just a variable name. You can even write there ABC, anything. But you also have to write like ABC now.
And what's the difference between introduction
Okay, no problem. You can, it's okay. The difference between introduction, like, are you talking about the variable?
Yeah.
John, Bo, it's just a name. You can name it anything.
Just like
Yeah.
like
I
your
thought
name, I have
introduction was
one of
like
my
something
student
else.
who is
Wait.
Seong. His name is Seong Hong, and he is also doing Python, but he is learning these things.
Commune?
Okay,
Wait,
Seong,
sir,
Seong. Okay,
Okay.
yes,
sir.
yes.
So the difference, like if you add one more quotation mark, it's just for longer line of code, right?
No, is
There are only 2 options. You can write double quotes like 2 times or like 3 times here.
Yeah, so what is the difference?
The difference is when you want to write only one line, so you write double quote around, like start and one. But if you
Oh,
want to
okay.
write multiple lines, then you write.
I get it. I get it. Thank you.
No problem. Okay, let's go to the next slide. Oh, okay. Is it clear?
Yes.
Yeah, it is. It is.
Okay. Okay, maybe one of your friend left. Maybe she mind it. Okay, let's go next.
I think-
Okay, now we go here and okay. So print hello world is clear, right? It's easy, like
Yeah.
like when
Yeah.
you
Yeah.
okay, you can also like help each other. So okay. Now this is called concatenation. When you want to add 2 strings together, like for example, I have first name and last name. I want to write them together as a one string. So this is called concatenation. Let's say I write there apple plus mango. If I run them, so it will make them together, apple mango.
Okay.
Okay. Similarly, first name, last name, you can even store it into a variable. Let's say fruit 1 equals to apple and fruit 2 is equals
Sir,
to orange. And yes,
Sion is in the waiting room.
okay, okay. Sorry, I was
Sorry.
not watching. It's okay, no problem. Okay, so now we can write there fruit 1 plus fruit 2. So you can just combine them together. This is called concatenation.
Oh,
Okay.
okay.
So you can have like as a one string. If you write some space, so they can maybe ask you something like if you have a name like a first name of a person, F name is equals to, let's say we have F name as Andy, and last name is equals to, let's say, Meow or Go. So you can just write the F name plus L name. It means you are doing concatenation.
So you don't need to add the print. You just can.
This print out by default the last line,
Okay.
but technically and
Wait,
uh, you should write.
wait. How is there a space in the apple and orange, but not Andy and Goo?
Even
Because
you
he
write
added a
there
space.
Oh,
hundred of
it doesn't.
spaces
He
like
added a
this.
space between the quotation mark and the string.
Where? Oh,
Yeah,
okay,
no.
okay.
Yes, you can add a space as the end, like here, or you can add a space like in the start of the code.
All right, thank you.
Okay, let's see what's next. After concatenation, you have okay, so like sometimes we have to use the values again and again. So we in the middle of the code we cannot always write like let's say there's a very big number like number is equals to 100, like something like this. So if I want to use it throughout the code, I cannot always write this number. So that's why they prefer to use a variable. So you can just write a print number and divide it by 2. Or if you want to also take something like if you want to write some equations. Um, let's say, are you all studying physics? So we can say like a mass equals to, let's say, 100 kilograms. And
What is
then X,
physics?
Are you
are
sir,
you
you can
studying?
ignore
Okay.
him. You can ignore him. That question is not relevant to us.
Physics is actually a subject, but okay. So acceleration is, let's say, like a 2. Then you can say print mass times A. So it will give you kind of force instead of putting the values there.
Okay.
If you
Okay,
want to
Wait,
write
sir,
print,
sir, sir. I have a really good.
hmm.
Wait, but sir, it says divide.
Sorry,
What does it
On
say
the
I could
divide?
not hear you.
On the top.
Yeah, but he made a new
Yes,
code.
this one.
Yes, Jan.
It's
Yeah,
different, bro.
Oh,
it's different.
Sir,
sorry.
I think you need to like coach her one on one.
It's okay. It's okay. It's okay. It's okay. Everyone, you are like my young kids. Okay. We can just go next and okay. So this is simple. Like maybe your teacher is cropping the things from the code and just putting it in the slides. So when you will print hello world, definitely. Okay. Now this will not work. Do you know why? Like this code will not work.
Which
This
one?
Which
one.
one?
Which
Yes.
code? Wait,
Yes.
which code?
Yeah, because
Oh,
there's a space in a variable.
Yes.
Yeah.
In
Oh,
the
yeah.
yes, you cannot write the space in the variables.
Nirvana is not lost, bro.
Wait, sir,
where?
do you have to add
There's
new,
space in
like,
the variable,
do you
bro.
have to add new in front of the
No,
variable?
you don't. You can
Bumbo
you can name
class.
it anything.
I think this the person the question is relevant because in different programming language, sometimes you have to write int, sometimes you have to write float.
Yeah,
So in the Python, they actually try to write the simple code because like people are working from different domains. So
yeah.
they actually try to keep the code simple and simple. So this is also wrong because you always
Because the
write the
variable
variable on the
can be
left
on
side.
can be on the right side.
Yeah.
Yes, the assignment, like I mean, like the data type is on the right side and the variable is on the left side. Okay,
Okay.
let's go next. Okay, now let me also tell you a little bit about. Okay, in Python, you have different types of data.
Oh, so
Oh.
You have numbers and you have text. Yes,
what is the hashtag?
hash is a command.
Oh man, bro.
Yeah, it is used to write the command. It's okay, no problem. You can just write a command and you use a hashtag. Okay, so we have the types of data. Like what types of data we can have? Numbers,
Variable.
Boolean.
Floats,
Loop.
inputs, integers,
Yes.
and strings.
String.
Yeah,
Yes.
Boolean. Sir, I don't understand Boolean.
Boolean means true and
True or
false.
false.
The only
Yeah.
two values. Because your whole if-else condition relies on true and false Boolean. If something is true, then it will work. If something is false, it will not work.
Wait, so you can only get Boolean like output if you do like if statement, right?
Yes.
If
Hmm.
else elif.
It's applicable there, but generally this is a data type. You
So,
have
sir, can
this.
you explain the difference between else and elif?
Yeah, I don't
Yeah, we're
Yes.
so confused now.
Yes, we will say it because you first confirm like if you're sure about the data types. Okay.
Mm,
So like if I ask you like there is a text, so this is a string kind of data, right? Okay,
Yeah.
now to store the data, you actually need a container. Let's say you are 5 friends. So I want to store your information as a one variable. So let's say I write there, let's say names equals to, first of all, I will write there Nivan because it's appearing on the top. And then I write there Noah. Noah. I have a student Noah. He also write H with his name at the end. Okay. Then we have Kiara, and then we have okay. Other is like Adrian. Oh, where it is gone. Okay, Adrien.
Wait, sir, what is the bracket? Is it
Yeah,
just like
this is called list.
oh, I
When
see.
you store the large amount of values in one variable, so you have to store it in the data structures.
Wait, what's the
So
difference between parentheses?
yeah, parentheses will decide what kind of data structure you have. And then we write the SIY.
Sorry.
Hmm.
Bracket and
Brackets are very important because these brackets are actually deciding what types of data you have. I mean, like, if I say print, small bracket, type, small bracket, name. So it will say you are actually working with
oh, so they're like saying the type of like data it is.
wait,
yes.
but sir, why is there this?
Square brackets are actually, if you don't write, then it will also work like this.
Is it necessary
But
though?
it's necessary because when you will write square brackets, it has different functions in it. If you will write curly brackets, it has different functions for this. So you are actually kind of making different data structure with the square brackets or curly brackets or small brackets. Because in the square brackets, there is a function called append. Like let's say names dot append and small bracket, and I write there 100 at the end. So names will appear like this. But if I will write there small brackets, then I cannot write okay. Okay, thank you.
Hmm.
So if I write now this small bracket, so it will say tuple object has no attribute append. So that is why you have to be careful by writing the brackets. So you have to memorize kind of like the square brackets are actually list. It's also your topic later, but for now, let's select this. Okay, okay. I make it simple for you. Let's say you go to different shops. So every shop has different functionalities. So one shop logo is this, other shop logo is this. So every shop has its own logo. So definitely when you go to different shops, they have different properties, different products. So this is kind of like that thing. So in one shop, you have different values in it. In a simple word. Okay, now we go next. It's okay. I will just like we will continue with your slides because it was just extra. Thanks.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you.
Okay,
Thank
no
you.
problem.
Thank you.
This is just for introduction and okay. We are storing a lot of values in it. So
Wait,
code,
can you share the document after?
yes.
Alright,
Yeah,
thank you.
definitely I will share. Okay. Now what is this? When you will add 5 and 5 together, then it will be 10 because these both are integers, right?
Yeah.
But on the right side, these are not integers.
They're strings.
They're not. Oh,
Yes.
okay.
They're strings. So 5 plus 5 will become 55. So very good, actually. Your teacher wrote it very nicely because you can write there 5 and 5 is 55.
Sir, so the quotation means that it's a string.
Actually, it is supposed to be like this. Yeah, because in PowerPoint you cannot write those codes, so that's why. Yes, it's a these are different codes which you do with the shift and
Okay.
okay, yeah, these are those codes which are in Python. Okay, now yes, when you will try to add something like a 5 plus 5, so you will get error because one is integer and one is string, so they both are not from the same family. Same thing happen here. Let's say you write x like x is equals to input and you say please write number. So after this you say x print x plus 10. When you will hit enter and if you write there 5, so 5 plus 10 will be 15, but if you will run it, it will give you error because it's saying a type error.
Oh,
You are
sir,
concatenating string and integer.
don't you need like a int before the input?
That is why we have to change its type from the
Exactly.
string to int. Yes, x is equals to int. You can also write it in the next line
Sir,
in this
Oh,
way, or you
And you
can
remove
apply it
the
directly.
yeah, and you remove the quotation marks.
wait, sir, I have a question.
Yes.
So like
oh, you need the quotation mark.
when you when you want the user to say an integer, then you have to add int, right? Like an input and then
INT is for number.
int and then
Int is integer, short form of integer. You can also write float there, like float, but then your number will become like kind of
Come on.
wait, but
decimal.
x is not integer in this case because it's like a string. Please write number.
Yeah, but we are casting it. This is called casting. Casting a string to float in
Integer.
this case, but
Oh,
integer we can write there. So what you will load from here will save it in here as a string, but in the second line it will become integer. Okay, is clear till here?
Clear.
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
yeah.
Okay, perfect.
Yeah.
Let's go next. So um, yeah, these are all those things loading and now these are mathematical operators. You can add two numbers. Similarly, you can add two strings. You can take the difference, you can multiply. And do you know everyone like anyone know this thing? Double a star when you write two stars?
Exponent.
Yes, exponent. It's kind of power. You are taking the 10 to the power 5. Okay. Now we go next. So in this code, they are applying int here because they're doing it directly. We can also do it in two lines because there are two operations which are being performed on the data. I'm talking about this actually. When you have write a number here, so it will take the number using the input, then it will change the number to integer using int function.
Oh, okay.
And after this, you are actually writing the print number is 5. Your number plus 5 is whatever the number is plus 5. So it will work because you have casted the variable from the string to integer. Okay, we did this example by chance. This thing when you can add two numbers together, like we did apple and orange examples as well. Okay. So should we go next for
Yes.
okay. When I write, let's say every year the age is increasing, like the first per time the age of the person is 10. So next year age is equals to age plus 1, and next year age is equals to age plus 1. So you can also write it in this way, age plus equals to 1. So they both are same thing.
Oh,
and eventually you will have age 12.
Hmm.
Wait, how? Oh, because
Uh,
2 years. It's 2 years.
How can there be like age plus and then equal?
when you have a variable age in the first line in here, so 10 will store inside the age variable. Now,
Yeah,
when you say 10 plus 1, it will become 11 and will store
yeah.
in this variable. And when you say age plus equals to 10, so 11 plus 1 will make it 12, and you can print now 12 here.
It's not saying it's equal. It's just saying like you're storing the
No,
data
but
in
I don't understand why there's a plus sign before the equal.
This one,
That's the
if
thing.
this line and this line serve the same purpose. These two, they're
Oh, okay,
exactly equals. So that is what they are saying in this slide.
But can you also do it with like minus?
Yes, minus.
Yeah.
Actually, I have some example. Maybe I could show you quickly. Basically, while writing code, sometimes when we are making a game or something, a player is going on the right side. You want to stop it, so you can just write an if condition. But for the movement, you can say like speed plus one, plus one, plus one. It's a kind of increment. You are every time incrementing it.
Oh yeah.
Okay, so you can also do minus, you can also do product, you can also divide. So whenever you have to do a variable plus variable, so you actually can do it variable plus equal to update the current variable. So we can go next.
Yeah.
And there you
So
start with, okay, let's say what's temperature in Jakarta right now?
sorry.
32.
Oh,
Um,
it's like 28, right?
Oh man.
No, it's
26,
not.
26, 26,
okay,
26.
26. Let's say you make a program if temperature more than 30, print turn on fan. So when you will run it, this code will not run because this condition is false. You can also watch it like this one. It will give you a false return. Yes.
Um, when are you supposed to use like 4?
Okay, we will do it after the if because that is in the next topic.
But is it like connected? Like,
No,
is it the
they
same?
are individual concepts.
Oh,
When you want to do something repeatedly, then you use for.
Wait, sir, what about continue and break?
Continue and break are the parts of the loops. When you want
Yeah.
to break some loop, then you write break, and when you want to go back into the loop, then you use continue.
So break goes to the end of the loop, continue goes to the
Uh,
start of the loop.
just let me like, why not if I just make one program with you to cover everything? Instead of writing this thing, let's say we make a guessing game, and in that all concepts will be used. Do you want to cover topic by topic, or if we make a game, everything will be cleared in it?
Can we make a game?
yeah,
Okay.
let's make a game.
Okay. So let's say we make a game in which when you will have a number to guess, let's say between 1 to 100. If your number will be exactly like the computer generated number, then it says like it is matched. Else, it will show you your number is big or small or something like that.
Sir, can you explain else versus elif?
Yes. Let's say if I write there else print
False.
turn off fan and running it. So it will print me turn off fan. When this condition is wrong, this condition will not work. This condition will work.
But
But
when it's false, it'll do else.
okay,
Wait,
but if
sir.
So if the condition up there is not met, it will do false.
It'll do elif. I mean else, you mean.
Elif
if the
then
first
else, right?
condition is not correct, it will check the second condition.
Yes.
And then you
Sir,
can say,
if like the code doesn't fit all the solution, then it's just else, right? Like,
yes,
Sir,
if
why
nothing,
Batami say stop answering a question, sir?
Wait,
It
sir, I'm making sure. Like, so if it's like
Just
only the if the first condition is true, right? But then elif you can use multiple times, right? To make, and then
Yeah,
mm,
else is
else is
the
at the
last
bottom.
condition.
Else is at the bottom.
Yeah,
Why
else
is
is
it
the
at the
last one.
bottom?
Because it is. Okay? Don't question Python, okay?
okay. If age is less than 2, print you are a toddler. As if age is less than, let's say something like this. So it will first check this condition, then this. Let's say if I write there 8. So it will check first this condition. If this is wrong, it will check next condition. If that is wrong, it will check next condition. This one is true, that is why it will print you are a kid.
Wait, sir, then why can't we do if for everything?
You can do it, but in that case, if you write like if, then multiple things will print out
Oh,
Yeah,
because multiple times the condition will be true.
yeah,
so if is false, then it'll do the elif.
yeah,
Yeah,
yeah.
it just
Oh,
check
okay. Thank you.
once at a
Okay.
time. Yeah.
sir.
Yes. Let's say like this. If you write this, so it will give you you're a kid, you're a teenager, and so on, like this.
Okay. Thank you.
So by chance, if you write something like 1, it will tell you at the age of 1, you are also a toddler, pre-kid, kid, and teenager.
Yeah.
Okay.
Sir,
Yes. Do you have any other questions? Understand it? Then I just covered the loops a little bit, and then we can end the session.
Okay.
Okay, I assume like other things are most of the time your test comes up from the very last slides.
Yeah.
yeah.
This is true. When I was kid, I always used to do first few slides very carefully, and the last slides I used left, and every time this things used to come from then. Okay, but we have done also the list but okay, let's see. Okay, now
But
we do the loops. Okay, let's say I have a name print, and then I write there a names like Salman or anything like for example Asad, which is not there, right? Okay, so if I want to print Asad for like 10 times, I can write there for I in range, then 10. So it will print Asad for 10 times like this.
Hmm.
You can also write there comma and I, it will print you like this.
So I by default's already like adding 1, right?
Yes, by default.
Wait, so if you set a certain range and then the code just repeats again and again.
Yeah, first value is kind of start, end, and the second value is kind of steps. So if I write there, let's say from 2 to 10, I can write the steps 2, 4, 6, 8. And because range is a function, range is kind of list. Okay, let me show you something. When you say range, then you actually are making a list eventually at the end like this. If you apply a list on it. For example, let's say you had a range. So x or maybe we can write there r is equals to this list small bracket r. So you have a list like this. If you write there, let's say 100, so it will make a list of values from 0 to
0 to 100.
let's make some small values and like this from 2 to 40 with a step size of 2.
Oh, it doesn't count 40 because it's
Yes, the last value is not included.
yeah,
okay.
but you can do
Sir,
plus
why
one.
is
You can
there
do plus one to count
I have a
40.
question. Why
Yes.
is there why is there one more two in the back?
That's the increment. That's what it
Uh,
adds up by.
yes.
Right?
Like this one is actually means like you are kind of storing the
only
value
adding
one by
even
one.
numbers.
Yes.
Wait,
Actually,
sir.
what will it do? Sorry, like what it will do, it will first take the value 2 in it. Then it will print asat 2. Then it will take the value 4 and then it will print asat 4. And then it will take the next step by step. It is taking one value from the list and then it is performing the next lines.
Wait, sir. Instead of list, can we also do print?
This is
Uh, instead of list, yes, because uh, in this notebook, everything
Yeah.
prints by default the last line. So you can also do
Oh, okay.
by default you can print these things. So it will take first 2, will execute these lines and so on. So if we ask you, you have to write the counting from 100 to 50, like maybe 10. Can you write the counting from 20 to 10? First there will be 20, then 19, then 18. So
You do -1.
yes, for I in range 20 to 10 with the step size -1, and then you can say print. Did you study while loop in your course?
well,
Oh, yeah. Yeah.
Okay, okay, okay.
what do you
No, while loop is not there.
Why?
know?
I know.
Is it
We,
there? I think I could
we
While
not
loop
only
see.
is
studied
after
loop.
while
We
loop.
only studied loop,
Oh, wait,
sir.
wait. I learned while loop myself. Wait, no, it's not here.
While
While
loop is
loop,
here. While loop is here.
okay,
It's written down.
okay. I assume like after for loop you have list. It's okay, maybe you can. Now, in the very end, let's discuss about the list. Um, let's say you have some numbers and you want to store a lot of numbers in a variable, so you write scare brackets. Why scare brackets? Because I like it. Actually, this is a list. Um, list means it has its own functionalities which I need, so that's why I prefer this because it's very useful to write scare brackets. Now you have numbers. There are different functions for the numbers. Let's say if I write dir small bracket numbers, it will show you all the functionalities you have within. So you can append with the list, you can clear with the list, you can copy, extend. These are all the functionalities of the list. If I will write curly bracket, so I will have different functionalities. So I will not be able to use these functions which I need. So it has different functions. That is why I like list because it has very good functions in it. Like for example, it has a function called reverse. If I write there numbers dot reverse, so it will reverse everything inside the numbers. Reverse, sorry, spellings were wrong. Okay, numbers and like print. So it has reversed all the numbers by how I wrote there. But okay, before that, let's we apply a sort on it. So numbers dot sort, small bracket, we run it. It will sort the numbers. You can also see it like numbers like this. It is sorted. Now the small value is on the start and the biggest value on the end. Similarly, you have the reverse. So you can reverse the number. So bigger value is now at the end and smaller value. And there are also append function. When you want to something, add something, you use append. When you want to remove something, you use remove from the
Like,
list
oh, okay.
because these are the functions of the list.
Yeah.
Sir, what does len mean in here?
Length, like the size. For example, I want to see how many values are in the numbers. I will write there print, small bracket, len, small bracket, numbers.
I'm
It will give me
predicting the
there
length
are
is
6
6.
numbers. Which one?
Oh, sir. We also learned about the index.
Indexing.
Yeah.
Okay. Let's say I have your names list, which is already stored there, right? I have this list. I want to remove this last one. Okay. First we see how to access something. Let's say I want to see my first value. So I can just write print, small bracket,
So you
names.
remove 5. You remove index 5.
I will remove it, but let's just access it first. You can access in this way. Let's say if I want to change it, let's say write their names, change. So names, square bracket 0, and I write there now, let's say Nivon.
Hey.
Nivon is cool, hey. Okay, so we can write there this, Nivon. I have
Sure.
actually a student whose name is Andy is cool, hey. He has made this website. His username is this, Andy is cool, hey.
Oh,
Oh,
hey.
oh.
But he made that website.
Yes,
How
he
do
has
you
made
How do
many
you
make it?
things.
make it?
Can
Also,
you
Asad
teach
has
me?
been doing things like this. This is
So-
Asad's website.
Hey.
No, actually, don't laugh. It's we were learning actually HTML while he was.
Nice.
Sir, can you teach us how to make websites?
Turn on.
Okay. Actually,
That's cool.
I share my plan with you. Like here on Preply, I was this kind of busy today.
Oh,
Hey.
Oh.
So,
sir.
Oh,
so
sir.
even after you, I have to go for like some sessions.
Mm,
So,
thank you. Thank you for
Sir,
yeah.
Thank you
sir,
very
wait,
Spending
much.
Thank you
your
So,
so
time for
much,
us,
sir.
no
sir.
problem. No problem at all. I really liked.
sir, which part of Pakistan do you live in?
I live in the middle of like Punjab province.
Oh, so I'm I'm
Oh,
I'm Punjabi, sir.
Okay, okay.
He's
Who are you?
Cindy, sir.
No, I'm
Okay, so
Punjabi.
okay, Cindy. Punjabi. Okay, yeah, it's basically I live in the center of capital and the province capital and the main capital. It's not very famous city, but so now like how can you change it? Similarly, if you want to, let's say, remove something, so you can write their names dot
Okay.
remove small bracket and then you write that value which you want to remove.
Sir, I have to go. Thank you for the session. I have to go
No
though.
problem. No
Thank
problem.
you.
It's okay.
Okay, bye,
And
sir.
this one
bye.
and bye bye. Okay. Now we run it, so it will give error because this is not in there. So you have to be careful. You must have to write the exact values there like this. Now there will be no 1000 in it. Similarly, let's say if you want to add something, so you can write their names dot append small bracket, and then you can write there, let's say
what is append?
mark. Sorry.
Depends
Oh,
on
okay, hi.
adding,
There is
right?
okay, there's
Appends
also a
append.
mark, I think. Okay, like this.
Wow.
So you can append a new at the very end, like this.
Adrian. Sir, just
Yes.
one thing. I think you spelled Adrian's name wrong.
Okay. Sorry.
It's fine. So it's okay. It's
Let's
okay.
correct it using code.
It's okay.
So
It's
we
okay. It's okay.
say
Oh,
names, square bracket. Where,
Replace
what
the
is the
A with
location
the
of
E.
this? Can you tell me the index
oh,
location of
oh,
Four,
Adrian?
four, four,
Four,
four, four,
four.
four, four, four,
four,
four,
four.
four,
One, two,
four.
three, four.
3.
0, 1, 2, 3.
Hey.
3.
1, 2,
Oh,
what?
because the
Wow.
Nirvana
Because it
zero.
starts with the
Nirvana
0. It
zero.
always starts with this. Yeah.
Okay, can you
So
tell me now the correct spellings, please? AD,
Adrian with the E.
ADRIEN?
Yeah.
Okay.
yeah.
Okay, now we write their names. So in this way you can change it.
Oh.
Wait, names 3 equal. Oh, wow, that's actually.
Wait, so when do you use for and if?
Bo.
F string. Is it used in here?
Yeah.
Okay, F strings means like let's say um okay, we use it in here. Print. The name is name and age is age and something like this. If I will run it, it will give me this kind of thing. But when I will write F with this, it will give me the values which are inside the curly brackets. let's say if I change the name and I change their any other name like Noah, so it will give this. The name is Noah and age is 14. So everything will stay same except the bracket things.
Oh, I'm so lost, bro. So
Okay.
I'm so I hate failing this test, bro.
Okay, at the end, let's just revise everything. Like we have different types of data. We can store it in the list. We can apply conditions and we can do repeatedly things loops, in short.
But sir, you can also do without the F, right? Like without the brackets too. But then for the age, kind of it's like an integer. So can you do comma with that?
Um,
Is it possible?
like without F means
Yeah, yeah.
if I run it, so it will give me as it is the string.
Like without the bracket.
Okay, if I will not write bracket, it will not detect like what I have to print.
Or like what if you do it like with the comma?
Comma, like inverted commas, this?
No, like with the comma in like the comma, like the one down.
Comma. Okay. Okay. If you don't write F string, then you can write there another same thing in the way. The name is, and then
Yeah, that's what I was like.
comma and name and ages. So same thing in different way.
Yeah.
Do you have to
Actually,
add
this
it?
this this one is
Do you
called
have
the
to add
string. As a whole, this is a string, and this one is the first value of the print, second value of the print, third value of the print, and fourth value of the print.
Wait, what does the F do again?
So the F is just like an easier way to say the same thing, right?
Yes,
Yeah.
yeah,
Oh,
both are same thing. Some people also write things in this way, like maybe you may say it in future, like dot format, small bracket, and then you write their name, comma, age, so you don't write anything inside.
wait. Why don't we use the stringy like parentheses on the name? Like the pink parentheses, like the one that's like
Okay,
just
the
age.
print parentheses are used actually because if we will not use it, Python will not detect which you want to print. So you write curly brackets, it's a syntax. You write curly brackets, so I just want to print out this thing. Okay. I must.
Okay, thank you.
I
No
have a
problem.
question though.
Yes, please.
How do you know, like, I think I asked it before, but how do you know which code to use in like which situation?
Which code is used in which situation?
Yeah.
Actually, let's say we give it example. Let's say there in the kitchen there is a one egg, there is one salt, and then you have oil. So you just take them together to make a. Someone say like you have to make an egg. So you like make something like a fried egg. Or you have so you when you will know all the ingredients, you can combine them together to make something useful. So you will know like first I have to put oil, then I have to put egg on it, then I have to like these are the rules. So you should first know individually things, then you can combine them to make one program. So then you're asking about that thing, like when you will have some questions, like they ask you like you have to make this program and if the age is more than 50, then you should have kind of you are old citizen. If age is more than 60, you're senior citizen. So if you have to write this code, you should know like there's an if statement. You can also write variables. You can also put the values. So together you can make one program. For that, you have to understand things individually and then you have to combine them to make a program.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you
Okay.
so much, sir. It was
Thank you
Okay,
very
so
no problem.
much.
nice
I will
with
send
us.
this sheet like slides with you
Sir,
and also the
sir.
recorded video. I will send you the link. Okay.
Thank you so much, sir.
Thank you so
Thank you
much.
so
Take
much.
care, everyone. Take
Thank you
care.
very
Thank you.
much. I'm
Bye
very
bye.
grateful.
Thank
Have a
you.
Thank
good
you so
night,
much.
sir.
Have a good
Have a
night.
good night as well. Thank you. Bye bye. Take care.
Thank
Bye
you.
bye.